Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a close-up on these Hello Kitty donut squishies. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So the first Hello Kitty donut squishy we're going to be looking at is this pink one. It has pink frosting and white icing on it. These are all the original tags that are on the squishy. Feel free to pause to see what they say. The squishy does say that it was dated in 2009. This next one is the classic style. It's the Hello Kitty donut with chocolate frosting and white icing. And it also has a signature pink bow on this one. It's very cute. And it has the same tags as the last one. Feel free to pause if you want to see them. This next donut is a fun one. It's the Hello Kitty donut with pink frosting. It's a lighter pink than the last one, but this one has a contrasting chocolate drizzle and it has sprinkles. And I think this one's the squishiest one out of them all. Once again, this has the same tag, so feel free to pause. And it is dated 2009. This one's my personal favorite, the powdered Hello Kitty donut. It's super cute. This is like the classic style that I remember everybody wanting back in the day. And she has a signature bright red bow. This is missing the tags on the back, but it does have the original hang tag attached. Okay, so this is the close-up that we're doing today. These are the 4 squishies that I own, and these are from the original release. I know that they remade these a few times, but yeah, these are basically my childhood at this point, and I'm sure there's some of your guys's too. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was always fun to make these, and I'm glad to be making them again. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Until next time, I will talk to you all later. Alright, bye.